अस्सलामु अलैकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल उर्दू से इंग्लिश। अगर आप आसान और रोजमर्रा इस्तेमाल होने वाली इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो में हम खानदान का तारुफ करवाने के लिए आसान और आम इस्तेमाल होने वाले इंग्लिश जुमले सीखेंगे। हर जुमला पहले उर्दू में और फिर आसान इंग्लिश में होगा ताकि आप उसे आसानी से समझ सकें। वीडियो आखिर तक जरूर देखिए ताकि कोई भी अहम जुमला रह न जाए। My family is very lovely. My family is small. My family is big. There are 5 people in my family. I love my family very much. We all live together. We are a happy family. My father works very hard. My father is very kind. My mother takes great care of us. My mother is a very good cook. I have one brother. I have one sister. My elder brother has a job. My younger brother studies. My elder sister is very wise. My younger sister is very cute. We help each other. We eat meals together. We talk every day. We like spending time together. We respect each other. My father is my role model. My mother is my best friend. I am proud of my family. My father is an honest person. My mother is very patient. My father always encourages me. My mother teaches me good habits. My parents care about me a lot. I respect my parents. My brother is very hardworking. My sister is very cheerful. My brother likes to play games. My sister likes reading books. We sit together in the evening. We share our happiness with each other. We support each other in difficult times. Our bond is very strong. My grandfather is very wise. My grandmother is very loving. I like spending time with my grandparents. My uncle is very polite. My aunt is very kind. Everyone in my family loves one another. We get together on special occasions. We cook together. We drink tea together. Our home is full of love. My family is my strength. My family members always support me. I am very happy with my family. Our family takes care of one another. We talk to each other every day. My father is very punctual. My mother is very kind-hearted. My brother has a good attitude. My sister is very responsible. My father always tells the truth. My mother teaches us good manners. We do household chores together. We listen to each other carefully. We value each other's opinions. Our family trusts one another. My father gives me good advice. My mother prays for me. My parents are happy about my success. We respect our elders. We love our younger family members. Our home is always full of happiness. I like traveling with my family. We take pictures together. We spend happy moments together. My family is an important part of my life. I am always thankful for my family. आज की वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आई और इससे कुछ सीखने को मिला तो प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। आप अगली वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर देखना चाहते हैं हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। खुदा हाफिज।